right, students, and that's just our first lesson.
Mr. F,
Yes, Biff.
Mr. F, I need your help.
Yeah, Biff, what's going on?
Well, I work at the grocery store across the street, right? The supermarket.
Yep.
Well, my supervisor at the supermarket, Sam Samuels,
Yes.
he told me that I have to send back these beans that are old and they're no good anymore.
Okay.
And I have to send them back in boxes, Mr. F. But, Mr. F, you know Sam Samuels, right?
Yes, I
He
do.
used to be the math teacher.
Oh, yes.
And he has these things he calls divisibility rules.
Divisibility rules, yep.
That's it, divisibility rules. And so I have to send them back in even numbers in the boxes. I can't have leftover cans or anything.
All right, so let me see how I can help. Show me what you have to do.
Well, Mr. F, you know what I did? I actually put together a little PowerPoint thingy.
Okay.
And it's on this flash drive.
All
Can
right.
you put it in your computer?
All right, here we go. Putting it in. And let's go ahead and load it up on the IQ board, okay?
There it is.
Oh, wow, that's really
Mr.
cool looking.
F, I like that.
All right. So what do you have to do?
Well, Mr. F, what I have to do, I've got to ship them back in boxes, like I said, and there can't be any extra cans. Can't have like a box with one can. It's got to be even.
Okay.
And so Mr. Sam Samuels, he said that I can use 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, or 10 boxes. But I have to figure out which ones that's going to work, and I'm not sure.
It'll be a piece of cake.
Oh, cake, Mr. F?
No, Biff, no, don't
It's a
start.
chocolate cake, Mr. F.
Don't start.
I
Focus,
like chocolate cake. Okay, fine, Mr. F.
All right, so your first one that Mr. Samuels wanted to do was 2 boxes. Okay, Biff, I want you to figure out if you can put 45 cans in those 2 boxes while I talk to the students. All right, class, try and figure out if 45 cans will fit evenly into 2 boxes. All right, show us a thumbs up if you think it will work evenly, and a thumbs down if you think 2 boxes won't work evenly. See if Biff agrees with you.
Okay, is it my turn, Mr. F?
All right, Biff.
Okay, let's try it. Ready?
Yep.
I'm going to start putting them in there.
Okay.
And they're going in. See, that worked? It's going to work, Mr. F.
All right,
I think it's
so
gonna
you
work.
got...
I think it's going to work. 22 in that box.
All right.
See?
Yep.
It's going to work because we have 45 and 22. So
What happened, Biff?
there's one left over, Mr. F. I can only get 22 in it.
Okay, what?
So that's 44. 20. It won't work because 40. Oh, Mr. F, I know.
Tell me.
45 isn't an even number.
Ah, that's right.
So
The divisibility
you can't
rule of
divide
2.
that by 2, Mr. F.
That's right.
Because it's not even.
That's perfectly said. So 2 won't go in it because it's not. 45 is not an even number.
Right,
Very
Mr.
good.
F.
All right, so 2 doesn't work.
Okay, let's go for 3, Mr. F.
Let's try it. That's right. Try 3. So Biff, you start working on it, and I'm going to talk to our friends.
Okay.
All right, students, work out this scenario to see if 3 boxes will ship evenly.
Okay, I'm ready, Mr. F.
All right. Before Biff starts, I'm going to ask the
Here we go. I
students
think
to
it's
go
gonna
ahead
work.
and put up their signals. Thumbs up if he can ship evenly with no leftovers,
Put your thumbs up.
or thumbs down if he'll have leftovers. Show us your signals. All right, Biff, go ahead and see if our friends agree.
Mr. F, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 15 cans in the first box.
Okay.
There they go. Watch. Look, there they go. They're all
Nice.
in there. And
All
I'm going
right.
to put 15 cans in the second box, Mr. F.
Okay.
15 and 15 is 30, so that leaves 15 more. And that's going to go in the third box, Mr. F.
Oh, my gosh,
It's going to
Biff.
work.
Is this going to
See,
work?
That's why I come over here for your help, Mr. F, because
Oh.
you figure it out. It worked.
All right. And why does it work?
Let's see. Well, a 4 and a 5 is a 9, Mr. F, right? And 45, if I add those 2 together.
Yep.
And so you can divide 9 by 3, Mr. F.
So that's right, Biff, because 4 plus 5, the sum of the digits, if it adds up to 3, 6, or 9, we know that 3 can be divided evenly into that number. So are we all done, Biff?
Mr. F, we are not donezo.
Oh.
Come on. We have more to go. We have to try 5, remember?
Oh, that's right.
Mr. Sam Samuels, he wanted me to try 5, 6, 9, and 10 too, remember?
Oh, that's right. Okay, so why don't you try 5, and we'll see if our friends think that you can do it evenly or not.
Okay, Mr. F, I think I've got it.
Okay.
Now, if I put 9 cans in a box, I think I can do all 45 of them in 5 boxes.
All
Do you
right.
want to see?
All right, show me.
Okay, here we go, Mr. F. Make it go. There's 9 in that box.
All right.
And we put 9 in that box. And we put 9 in that box.
Okay.
And we put 9 in that box, Mr. F. We're almost done, so
Alright.
almost. We got 9 more in that box. And look, no leftovers, Mr. F.
No leftover.
No leftovers.
All right, why
Well,
did
I
that
had
work?
leftovers last night at my mom's house,
No.
but no leftovers here. So
We'll talk about that later. Why did this one work?
He always asks me those questions, Mr. F.
I know.
It would work because in our number 45,
Yep.
the ones digit is a 5.
Right.
And so since it's a 5, it would work.
That's right. If the ones digit is a 5, then you know 5 will go into it. Very
5 goes
good.
into 5 one time.
I knew our friends got that one right too.
Yes, I think so, Mr. F.
Why don't you try 6? And while you do that, we'll see if our students can help compute this scenario. So students, while Biff's working on this, see if 6 boxes will work evenly. All right, students, go ahead and put your thumbs up if you think it will work evenly, or thumbs down if it won't. Show your neighbor, show your teacher. Thumbs up if there will work, thumbs down if it won't. What do you think, Biff?
Okay, Mr. F. I'm going to put 7 cans in the first box, and
Okay.
actually in each box.
All
So
right.
let's put 7 in that first one, and then 7 in the next one, and 7 in the next one, Mr. F.
Okay.
And 7 in the next one, and 7 in the next one. And Mr. F, it doesn't work because there's 42, and I need 45. I got 3 cans left over. Do you think Mr. Sam Samuels? Well,
No leftovers. We know 6 won't work because it has to meet the rule for 2 and for 3.
okay.
It meets the rule for 3 because 4 plus 5 is 9, but it doesn't meet the rule for 2 because 45, like you said, is not an
Okay.
even number.
Right, it's not even, Mr. F.
All right, what's next? 9?
Oh, yeah, well, I guess 9, Mr. F.
9, all right. Students, while Biff's working out 9, see if you think that 45 can be divided by 9 boxes evenly.
Okay, Mr. F, I think I got it.
Okay, before you give away the answer, I want to see if our friends think it will go in evenly or not. So again, thumbs up if you think it will work, thumbs down if you don't. All right, Biff, go for it.
Okay, Mr. F, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to
Okay.
put 5 cans into each of the 9 boxes.
Okay.
5 times 9 is 45, Mr.
Ooh, that's
F.
another good strategy. All right, so the cans are going in.
Yep, see, 5.
Mm-hmm.
Next box, 5.
20 left.
Next box, 5. Next box,
15
5.
left.
Next box, 5.
All right.
There we go, 45. It worked, Mr. F.
And what's the rule for 9? Do you remember?
Well, again, Mr. F, it was like that first one where the sum of the digits, if we add up to 2 numbers, is 9.
That's right. 4
And
plus
so-
5 is 9.
All right, so that should work then.
Very good. All right,
9
we're
goes
almost
into 9, Mr.
we're
F.
almost done with your report, so you can get back to Mr. Samuels.
Ooh, I might be in
Last
trouble.
one.
Okay, Mr. F, 10 boxes.
We'll see if our friends think that you can do it evenly or not. All right. Before Biff starts, I'm going to ask the students to go ahead and put up their signals. Thumbs up if he can ship evenly with no leftovers, or thumbs down if he'll have leftovers. Show us your signals. All right, Biff, go ahead and see if our friends agree.
So 45 cans are going in there, Mr. F. That's 4 in each box.
All
It's
right.
looking good. It's looking good, Mr. F. I'm gonna... Wait a minute, Mr. F. I've got leftovers.
And why didn't
5
that one work?
left. Well, okay. It wouldn't work, I guess, because in the ones place there, you have to have 0, Mr. F.
That's right. 10 goes into numbers whose ones digit is
It's a 0.
All right, Biff, so what did you find out with your report?
Well, what I'm going to tell Mr. Sam Samuels over at the supermarket,
Yep.
Mr. F, is we can do it evenly if we use 3 boxes or 5 boxes or 9 boxes.
Very good, Biff.
That's the only 3 that will work.
All right, you better get going.
Hey, I need my thumb drive, Mr. F.
All right, here we go. I'm going to eject it.
Okay, thanks, Mr. F.
All right,
I gotta
see you,
go.
Biff.
Thank you, though.
All right, class, sorry for that interruption. Let's get back to some advanced differential calculus.